First on the news hour tonight, left versus right, Piyush Goyal of the BJP and Atul Kumar Anjan of the CPI. Then in the next 10 minutes, we are opening up and getting a Congress representative. We'll also be joined, in fact, let me introduce them. Abid Rasool Khan will be joining us from the Congress party in some time. And Hartosh Singhbal, political editor of Open magazine, will be joining this panel, as will Ashok Malik, senior journalist. But before I come to Ashok Malik, Hartosh Singhbal and Abid Rasool Khan of the Congress party, right versus left, that's the choice made, Piyush Goyal. Narendra Modi has realized that the left will never be able to support him in Delhi when he becomes Prime Minister, so he takes a chance by supporting Mamata Banerjee. What is this? Part of the campaign or political opportunism, Piyush Goyal? Mr. Goyal, can you hear me? I don't seem to have the line with Piyush Goyal yet. Let me get Atul Kumar Anjan in on this. Atul Kumar Anjan, what did you make of the criticism?
कुछ तो चल रहा है, मुझे नहीं सुनाई दे।
Atul Kumar Anjan, what did you make of Modi's criticism today of 32 years of left rule?
One should not expect much praise from the Modi, but one should understand Modi's rule is only 10 years, and he is talking about a party for a combination of left which has ruled more than 32 years in West Bengal, and it has delivered many things like land reforms and many other things, and peace and tranquility, and a very different type of, activities which has brought social emancipation. But one thing, Mr. Modi, will you cross even leave aside 32, will you cross the 20 years mark? And you are very much fed up, and you are working for your Delhi thing. This whole exercise of Modi, Arnab ji, you just think over that he goes to the Delhi University school, there he makes attack, then
no, so what are you saying? No.
Party people.
No, 1 minute. Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, Piyush Goyal, you can hear me now. No, 1 minute. 1 minute. You see, I first want to establish this. In fact, it's not BJP versus left. This is right versus left. This is the right of Indian politics versus the left of Indian politics.
You are correct, Mr.
Right?
I just want to draw your attention. What are the points? What he says? If he comes, he says that public sector undertakings had nothing to do. They have not delivered. So this has to be dismantled. And I remember when the bank were nationalized in 1969, Balraj Madhok and Atal Bihari Vajpayee went to the Supreme Court asking that bank nationalization should be stopped. All that. The whole idea of the Mr. Modi is a right reactionary economic policy. It's against.
No, why did he not criticize Mamata Banerjee? No, why did he not criticize Mamata Banerjee? In your view, Piyush, 1 minute. Is there a cozying up? No, 1 second. Atul Kumar Anjan, this is what he says. He says, I believe steps are being taken in the right direction in Bengal, but it will take many years. In other words, Mamata Banerjee has got a certificate from Narendra Modi. Why?
Why she left Modi supporting Mamata? He is trying to rope her in his outfit. He wants to tell BJP people, make me leader immediately. I will be able to rope many new parties in NDA. So this is the way he is moving around the country.
No, do you think there's an understanding between Mamata and Modi? No, do you think there is a natural affinity between Mamata and Modi? Mr. Anjan, is there a natural affinity between Mamata and Modi? Modi can't tie up with you when he becomes Prime Minister.
This is the marriage of convenience.
Okay.
Marriage of convenience.
Marriage of convenience. Piyush Goyal, before you respond, let me point out to you. No, 1 second. Marriage of convenience, what the left says. This is political opportunism, your rivals will say, Piyush Goyal, because the BJP, your party, was at the forefront of criticizing Mamata Banerjee in 2011 for frequently changing allies and not speaking out against corruption. BJP took her on for lawlessness in the state. BJP did not hesitate to question her flawed policies. Now, is Narendra Modi has his own line, or is there any consistency in the BJP line towards Mamata, or has something happened now of late between the both of you?
Well, I think the rest of the parties are extremely discomforted with the huge response that Mr. Modi is getting all over the country, and now finally you've seen it even in the so-called left bastion of many years in Kolkata and in West Bengal. it's very, very unfortunate that they are seeing ghosts. The reality
seeing
is
ghosts?
that Modi today
Who's seeing ghosts?
is in the DNA all across
No.
the nation.
Answer my question, Mr. Piyush Goyal. Why are you avoiding my question?
The West Bengal people are also looking at years and years of actually
इनसे कहिए कि आवाज नहीं आ रही।
killing fields. We had the left government there massacring people. We had them depriving people of development. The cadres of the left ran the government and they ran the state down to the ground. We have a new
Mr. Goyal,
government
can you hear
there.
me?
I think Mr.
No,
Modi
Mr.
was only indulging
Mr. Piyush Goyal, can
in
you hear
some
me?
hope
Mr.
that
Piyush-
this new government will do better than the left.
Mr.
But
Goyal,
the overall
can you hear-
narrative was
Mr. Goyal,
completely and clearly addressed to the workers
Mr. Goyal, can you hear me,
to be
sir?
prepared for the battle and to bring the BJP into power.
Mr. Goyal, can you hear me? This is Arnab here. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now I can. There's a lot of echo on this system of yours.
Now, let me ask you simply. You see, I'll move on from this. But you have refused to answer my question and I wonder why. LK Advani, Chandan Mitra.
What?
LK Advani, Chandan Mitra. Let me tell you, Chandan Mitra says both CPM and Trinamool are in the politics of competitive violence, 2011. 2011, LK Advani says, how can you trust such a party which keeps on changing allies? April 2013, your West Bengal state president Rahul Sinha criticizes the Trinamool Congress. Why didn't Modi go to Kolkata and praise Mamata Banerjee? Just explain that to me. Or is this a right versus left divide
Well, he has not-
which Modi
he
is
has
trying
not
to create
praised-
in Indian politics? Right versus left. Right of
I'm
center
sorry,
versus left
Arnab,
of
you
center.
probably missed narrative somewhere. I do not think he praised Mamata at all.
Really?
He was very categorically exhorting the BJP workers to be prepared for the battle ahead and for the BJP to get a mandate throughout all the corrupt governments and non-functional governments and bring the BJP into power to solve the problems of this country.
No, you have completely misread Narendra Modi's speech, Mr. Piyush Goyal. He has blamed the left. He has refused to criticize Mamata Banerjee and he has said the steps are being taken in the right direction in Bengal, but it will take many years. So you have refused to read Narendra Modi's speech in a clear and straightforward manner.
No,
I wonder
Narendra
why.
Modi
I
has
wonder why.
obviously
Am I wrong,
criticized
Atul Anjan?
32 years of Congress of a left misrule
No, you have...
and the Congress misrule of 65 years in the nation.
Well, this is exactly, that's the point. This is a right
And of
versus
course,
left divide.
we have been critical of Mamata also.
No, this is a right versus left divide which has opened up in Indian politics. Let me introduce the other panelists
There
on
is
the
no
news
right.
debate this evening.
The BJP does not claim any right or left. The BJP believes in development.
Mr.
The
Piyush
BJP
Goyal.
believes that development
So
will change the lives of the
what views
poor.
You are going on wasting the time of the audience. You go tell what really.
Well, only Anjan, Mr. Anjan has the right to.
Categorically said it. He wants to win over Mamata in his fold. He wants to tell that the left has to be, sidelined. At the same time, one should understand that they going ahead with this program because I understand Narendra Modi. I understand because left has not allowed BJP or Jansangh since last 30 years to enter the Assembly of West Bengal. I understand the grudge of the RSS and BJP both. They are very much categorically trying to see that the left has to be dismantled in the West Bengal.